A big belief around Naboso is that the more that we can connect to our foundation, which is our feet, it's the only contact point between the body and the ground, the overall improvement we can have in our balance, in our sense of movement, in our coordination. We use texture, or what's called two-point discrimination, as a way to access the nerves in the bottom of the feet. So all of our insoles have textures or 2 points that are across the entire insole. The height, the shape, and the distance of each of those textures is very specific to stimulate a specific nerve in the bottom of the feet that is similar to braille. The skin in the bottom of the feet have nerves that are called mechanoreceptors. So it's a little bit different than proprioceptors. These mechanoreceptors are sensitive to 3 main stimuli, but there's 4 main mechanoreceptors. The one that we're going after is the SA1 Merkel disc, which is sensitive to 2-point discrimination. The spatial acuity of the SA1 Merkel disc is 1 millimeter. So again, using braille as an analogy, if you think of the shape and the distance of braille, it's very similar to what you see on the Naboso products. The SA1 receptor is also the most superficial. So it's the receptor in the feet or the hands that is the closest to the ground. By having 2-point discrimination across the entire insole and stimulating the SA1 receptor, we are giving a texture that the brain recognizes. If the stimuli was too far apart, meaning each texture was greater than 1 millimeter, we would probably not get the effects of what we see. Also, having that SA1 receptor really allows you to gauge how the patient is going to respond to it. We have 3 different levels of stimulus, but all of them carry the same 2-point discrimination, 1 millimeter apart from each stimuli, so you know exactly what you're trying to target with that patient.